Notion Investor Letter Template for ESL Finance Writers. Welcome. Today, we'll design a reusable Notion template that makes finance writing faster and clearer. It's built for ESL finance writers and editors who produce market notes, equity updates, or research briefs. The goal is simple: boost clarity, increase speed, and ensure consistency across every letter. You'll get a structure that guides thinking, language support that removes guesswork, and workflows that reduce copy-paste errors. By the end, you'll have a template your team can open, fill, and publish with confidence. No reinventing the wheel, just reliable quality each time. Start with a clean header, company name, ticker, date, and 2 or 3 key metrics: price, change, key KPI. Next, write an executive summary in 3 to 5 sentences. What happened, why it matters, and what you expect next. The body follows a logical arc. Thesis, your core view. Catalysts, events that move price. Risks, what could derail it. And valuation, multiples, comps, or DCF signal. Close with a clear CTA. Next steps: who does what by when, plus required disclaimers. This structure keeps readers oriented and decisions actionable. Give writers ready-to-use sentence starters and signposting. In brief, we expect because, key risk, in valuation terms. Add a finance phrase bank with examples: beat/miss, margin expansion, guidance, free cash flow, each with a 1-line definition and a sample sentence. Set readability targets at grade 9 to 11 so ideas are sophisticated but easy to follow. Include style cues: favor active voice, revenue rose 6%, strong verbs, short paragraphs, and numbers first, opinions second. This removes ambiguity and builds consistent, professional tone. Create Notion properties to standardize inputs: ticker, sector, KPIs, e.g. ARR, MAUs, EBITDA, rating, target price, and time horizon. Link relations to a master company database and a price history page so metrics auto-populate. Use formulas for % change and YoY growth, e.g. current minus prior, /prior. Add status tags: draft, review, final, to track progress at a glance. With structured fields, you cut manual entry, reduce errors, and make charts or roll-ups possible across all reports. Clip sources fast with the Notion Web Clipper, earnings filings, investor decks, and credible news. Automate data flows via Zapier/Make to import prices and KPIs on a schedule so numbers stay fresh. Use database templates to spin up new letters with pre-filled sections and placeholders for metrics and quotes. Enable version history and approvals: 1 page for drafting, a reviewer checklist, and a final lock once approved. These integrations shrink admin time and let writers focus on analysis, not copy-paste. Add a tight checklist to confirm the thesis is clear, evidence is cited, risks are balanced, and valuation is explained. Run language checks for grammar, tone, and jargon. Replace vague words, good, bad, with measurable terms. Ensure compliance: disclosures, conflict statements, data sources, and date stamps. Use peer review comments directly in Notion. Assign reviewers, resolve threads, and log decisions. This repeatable QA step protects credibility and keeps your writing audit ready. Save time with modular reusable blocks. Use callouts for risks and catalysts so they stand out and follow a consistent pattern: event, timing, impact. Drop in tables for KPIs and valuation, metric, current, prior, delta, comment. Add toggle FAQs for common terms like run rate, guidance, or unit economics. One-line definitions plus an example. Keep a standard CTA and disclaimer snippet to ensure compliance wording never varies. These components make every report fast to assemble and easy to read. Start small. Pilot with one company for 2 reporting cycles. Measure time saved, error rates, and reviewer edits to see where friction remains. Gather writer feedback on clarity, missing phrases, and automation gaps. Then refine. Finally, document a short template playbook, when to use it, how to fill each field, approval rules, and examples of strong summaries. Iterate quarterly. With steady updates, your Notion template becomes a dependable system that scales quality across the team.